Fashion. Are you sure your global supply chain is as transparent as you think? Today you can find two worlds, one with tons of confusing data and the other with a perfect clarity. The ID Factory is a traceability supply chain platform designed by fashion industry experts to unlock the change. We help managers and brands to map, measure, and thrive in the sustainable future through three pillars. Traceability, enabled by digital twins of processes and products. Transparency, through supply chain data harvesting within one single platform. Efficiency, with up to 10% savings thanks to the accuracy of consistent information. Finally, fashion brands have the all-in-one tool they need to improve procurement, manufacturing, quality control, and sustainability, and tell the real supply chain story based on real-time data.